The 1800-watt steam cleaner kit is designed to deliver deep cleaning performance with high heat and pressure, making it an effective solution for tackling stubborn grime and stains in various areas of your home. This steam cleaner is user-friendly with an adjustable steam control feature, allowing you to effortlessly manage the steam intensity for different cleaning tasks and ensuring a hassle-free cleaning experience. With the power of pure steam, this cleaner offers a chemical-free cleaning method, making it a safe option for households with children and pets, as it leaves no harmful residues behind. The large 1.5-liter water tank is a standout feature, providing extended cleaning sessions without frequent refills, which is particularly beneficial for larger cleaning projects or busy households. Equipped with 28 versatile attachments, the steam cleaner is designed for all-in-one cleaning, efficiently handling surfaces ranging from hard floors to car interiors, ensuring thorough cleanliness throughout your living space. Its lightweight design, combined with a long power cord and hose, makes it easy to maneuver and reach difficult corners, allowing for seamless movement between rooms and a more comprehensive cleaning process.